Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about switching to natural products. This is by no means telling you go and literally throw everything you ever had and ever used, but this is kind of my journey that I've taken to slowly transition to a more natural and clean self-care routine. Today I am collaborating with Cherish to bring you something that's actually probably was the first thing that I really wanted to go natural in, and it was sanitary pads. Cherish is a company that started a campaign called Now We Know, which is all about educating women about the harmful effects of sanitary pads and tampons to our bodies and to the environment. Most of us are not aware because it's not information that's really blasted out there, but manufacturing conventional sanitary pads and tampons are actually really harmful for the environment. Conventional sanitary pads can contain the equivalent of 4 plastic bags. That's crazy. Also, because we are using these products all the time, over and over again, and it's in a very sensitive and very important area of our bodies, what happens is that it kind of restricts the natural flow of our bodies. It can trap flow, heat, and can promote yeast infections and bacteria in there, which is something that we really want to avoid. A lot of them also contain fragrances and other toxic ingredients that we do not want to be in our bodies, especially not something that can affect our reproductive system in the long term. There's some research that is being done now that you can see kind of the link between problems that we're having as women with our reproductive system and all these products that we've been using. There's still so much research to be done, and I just decided that I'm gonna take matters into my own hands and really start switching into things that just make more sense to me and just don't contain things that are unnecessary for my body. The Cherish non-toxic sanitary pads and liners are made of 100% organic cotton, and they're super absorbent and will keep you dry and comfortable during your monthly flow. So thank you, Cherish, so much for spreading the information out there for women and young girls to learn more about how they can take control over what they're putting inside their body. Next product that I completely switched to that is natural was a deodorant. I started educating myself. I started going on ewg.org, which is a great resource to show you different products and what they contain and how harmful it is for our bodies and what are the other options. They rank there a lot of their things like sunscreen and deodorants and skincare. So I started slowly educating myself more and more about the subject, and I wanted to start switching mostly the products that I use on a daily basis. So something like deodorant was definitely on my radar. Like all of us, I was using the regular toxic deodorant that has all these metals that go inside our bodies, that go inside our blood, and unfortunately, as much as there is some links to different diseases or things that happen from us using these conventional products, I think that there's still so much unknown from what's going on in our bodies as a result of using these products. So I really wanted to start taking my own actions, not waiting for research to tell me that it's going to give me cancer, God forbid. So this is a deodorant from Kaya Naturals. This wasn't an easy thing for me to find. If you're gonna start moving into a more natural routine, you'll find that it's really all about trial and error. You're gonna try products, they're not gonna work, your body's gonna react a certain way to different products. You have to test it out, and you need to give your body time to test it. Because we've been using all these products that are heavily scented, has aluminum in it, that basically kind of disrupt the way our body system works. So our body's gonna react differently when all of a sudden they're gonna get a natural product that just lets it do its thing. So with the deodorant, when I started switching, I did notice that the first few days were kind of rough, but then I let kind of my body detoxify for a couple of days, and then I started trying different ones. And today it's so much easy to try products because there's the travel size that you can purchase and see if you like it, and then you can get the full-on size product like I did with Kaya Naturals. Another product that I started using is a dry shampoo. I'm a big fan of dry shampoos and I use it a lot. So again, just notice noticing the products that I use very often and looking for ways to make it better for the environment and for myself and for my family. And dry shampoo was definitely one of them. Again, I did this whole trial and error thing. I tried a lot of very clean shampoos that literally didn't work. Then I started looking into kind of the ingredients that I really want to avoid. So again, you don't have to completely go from like one extreme to the other. If you want to make your own stuff, that's great. I can't do it. There's a lot of great DIYs out there, but it's just not my jam. But this one I found to be exactly what I was looking for. And this is from Briogeo. It's a scalp revival. It has no sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. So this is kind of the top 3 that I always look for when I go to a store. I want to make sure that it doesn't have any of those top 3 things. Just even focusing on a few ingredients that are your big like no-nos. Learn what they are, what they do to your body, and when you go and purchase your new products, you can make sure that they're not there. Another thing that's very important to let you guys know, the word natural is not regulated by the FDA, so everything can have natural on it. That means nothing. So you want to make sure that even if the bottle is green, which is like a little tactic that make us think like, oh, it's natural and clean, or it says huge natural thing on it, make sure that you read the labels. Organic is the only thing that is completely regulated and that you know that you're getting a clean product, but natural doesn't. So be aware of it and check in your country, if you're not in North America, if natural is regulated. I think that mostly it's not. So don't be fooled by marketing. Then the next product that I also changed was my body wash. Again, something that I use really often, and this is a great example that going to a more cleaner product doesn't mean that you have to spend a lot of money. So the Live Clean body wash, and actually shampoos also, they have a line of different ones. It is sold at Walmart and you can find it anywhere. And this is 98% plant ingredients. It's eco-friendly. There's no fragrances, there's no SLS, it's paraben free. It's recyclable, not tested on animals. It's silicone free. There's so many things that a lot of garbage that is in our conventional products that is not here, and this is super easy to find. So I switched to this a while ago and even Gary doesn't complain. And then last but not least is a toothpaste. So I've been kind of trying out different ones. I try one where it's like I have actually a bunch of them. Charcoal for like whitening. There's ones that are like this. Today they are so much better than they used to be. They mimic a lot of the conventional ones. And other things like skincare and makeup, I've been testing so many wonderful products. Today it's amazing to see the variety that we have of clean products to choose from. And again, you guys don't need to go and just throw everything that you have and go and spend a lot of money on cleaner products. Just start slowly. If one thing ran out, go and do a little research, see what's out there. And again, today there's so much more awareness about cleaner products. And just remember, this is an investment for the long run, for yourself, for the environment, and for your family. I'm still not all fully like clean and organic, and I'm totally fine with it. I don't think I'll ever be there, but I'm really striving to get better with every day. So I hope you guys got a little bit of insight into what made me switch into more natural products and the kind of products that I focused on switching first. And if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you again, Cherish, for collaborating with me and sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.